Hey, it's Danielle from 4 Patriots, and today I am super excited because we are unboxing our 3-month survival food kit, and I want to show you all that comes in a 3-month kit. A 3-month kit is designed for one person for about 3 months. That's 600 servings of food, and it's about 1,200 calories a day. So you can survive for one person for 3 whole months on just what comes in these boxes. Our 3-month kit comes in 2 boxes. It's a lot of food, and if we tried to put it all in one box, it'd be too heavy to carry. So your shipment will come in 2 boxes. I ordered these straight from the warehouse, so it's gonna come to you just like it's here today. Let's start over here with box number 1. Inside this box, we have 2 of our grab-and-go kits. Now the grab-and-go kits are great because they have 3 meals. These 2 packages together are included in the overall 600 meals, but they're just special packaged for easy convenience. Resealable tops on these. So here's what a package of survival food looks like. You see this? This one is classic bean chili. It's this special Mylar packaging that keeps this food so good. This one, you can see, it's got a little notch on it, so it's a tear top. You don't need to have scissors with you or anything like that. It's got a resealable zipper inside, so if I just wanted to make one meal and put this back, I can reseal it. Once I've opened it, not gonna be good for 25 years because I've opened it. Now, air can get inside, moisture can get inside, oxygen can get inside, and that's a problem because they can grow stuff in there. So once I've opened it, I want to use it within a few weeks. But until then, 25 years for this guy. I'm gonna set these ones aside for just a second. Now inside this box, we have some of our other free bonus items. I have my Victory Garden seed collection. We have tomato seeds, lettuce, green pepper, kale, cauliflower, carrots, broccoli, and corn. I could plant food to supplement what's in my 3-month kit here. These are all great, easy to grow vegetables that everybody really loves, and so I'm really happy to have these 8 varieties with me. The water survival guide, the survival garden guide, that'll help me use those seeds, top 10 items sold out after crisis. This is an important thing to read before something bad happens, so you know what to grab first at the grocery store. And how to cut your grocery bills in half. Useful all the time, not just an emergency. Oh, here is your very own 11-in-1 multi-tool. This is the thing I used to open the box. It's got a little saw, a hex opener on it, a sharp edge that was perfect for cutting open tape. He's got a little hanging tool on him. It's got a little bottle opener. Just kind of a useful item to have, and he's not so sharp that TSA tends to steal him. I have lost a couple, but they often let him go through, so it's a 50-50 on that. And here is box number 2. I've pulled everything out of the box, and now we're good to go. And I want to show you what all's inside these totes. Let's start off right at the top. We've got powdered milk. This one's really good and I like it. Some fireside stew. Fireside stew is this really hearty mix. It's got lentils and rice and pasta in it, and it's really good. Sweet berry creamy wheat. It's delicious. Dinner Bell broccoli bake. Kind of a cheesy broccoli yumminess. Potatoes O'Brien. So it's like shreddy potatoes with onions and peppers already in it. This one's yum. Star Spangled Energy Drink. It's like Kool-Aid, strawberry. My kids love this, and it's a great quick energy source. This is our mac and cheese. We'll make it instead of some of the other boxes of mac and cheese you might know. It's really good, super easy to prepare, like all of our food. Frank's favorite Alfredo. These are like fettuccine noodles in a really creamy sauce. Cinnamon sugar oatmeal. So not only do we have dinners and lunches, we have breakfast and snacks hiding in here. Classic potato soup. This is a really creamy, great potato soup, super easy to prepare, and it's filling and really yum. That was just box number 1. Let's see what's in box number 2. Cowboy rice and beans. Rice, beans, super filling. And you know you're gonna love this one. This one's a fan favorite from way back. So this is our creamy rice and vegetable dinner. And it's a rice-based dish that's super creamy. It's got bits of real vegetable in it. And even though there's like bits of peas and carrots, your kids are really gonna like this one. Your husband is really gonna like this one. Your grandpa is really gonna like this one. Everybody loves this one. creamy chicken soup. This is a soft cream soup, but it's really good. And it's got that good creamy, heavy texture to it that you can't even imagine came out of a pouch. Creamy herb mashed potatoes. These instant potatoes make all other instant potatoes look like flakes. These are great. Super fast. You just make them with hot water like any instant potato, but they're all herby and buttery and just really good just as they are. Aztec chili with mango. It's got real little bits of dried mango in it. It's got some real depth to it. I like this guy a lot. Amber Waves 9-grain cereal. The 9-grain cereal is a barley, wheat, just a good hearty breakfast. Farmer's Market corn chowder. Corn, real bits in there, nice creamy corn chowder. That sounds good, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, I'm running out of space. Buttermilk pancakes. Our pancakes are really good. They come up like any other box pancake, but they're really sweet and they got that just perfect pancake texture. I like our pancakes a lot. Chili mac. Kids like the chili mac, super filling, super hearty. Like some chili mac. And of course we have some rice. Now rice is great because it rounds out any of these meals. So let's say you had the chili, the classic bean chili. I can make some rice to go along with it and stretch that meal out and make it into a couple of meals to feed more people. The rice is great to have. And hearty stroganoff. So the stroganoff is a kind of a rich, beefy, noodly yumness that I really like a lot too. These grab and go packs came with a breakfast, lunch, and dinner already prepackaged into one. So I will show you what's in here as well. Come here, guys. We have in here, we have a rice and chili. Like I said, those go great together. We have a mac and cheese, and we have a cinnamon sugar oatmeal. So there's breakfast and lunch and dinner all in one grab and go bag. And there's 2 of those so that you have an easy way to take it with you if you're just wanting to take some survival food on the go. And so we've got that second grab and go kit, and it's got the same stuff in it. Cinnamon sugar oatmeal for breakfast, mac and cheese for lunch, and my chili and rice for dinner. All right, guys, we got everything all laid out, and I want to walk you through what we have in our haul of our 3-month kit from 4 Patriots. We have 4 pouches of sweetly coated banana chips, so that's 32 servings. We have 40 servings of Promised Land powdered milk. That's 5 pouches. We have 80 servings of cinnamon sugar oatmeal, 10 pouches of that. We have 32 servings of strawberry drink. There are 4 8-serving pouches of that. We have 16 servings of strawberry cream of wheat. There are 2 pouches. We have 32 servings of pancakes, and there's 4 of them. We have, what are you, broccoli bake, 16 servings of broccoli bake. There are 2 8-serving pouches. We have mac and cheese. We have 6 of those, so that is 24 servings of mac and cheese. We have 8 servings of hearty stroganoff, 1 8-serving pouch classic potato soup. There are 2 8-serving pouches for 16 servings of that. 16 servings of creamy chicken soup. There are 2 8-serving pouches of that. We have 16 servings of chocolate pudding. These ones are in 4-serving pouches. We have 16 servings of cowboy rice and beans. I have 2 pouches. If we come over here, we have our Aztec chili with mango, and we have 2 8-serving pouches of that for 16 servings total. 16 servings of classic bean chili, 2 pouches of that. 16 of Farmer's Market corn chowder, 2 8-serving pouches. We have 8 servings of our Amber Waves 9-grain cereal. We have 1 8-serving pouch of that. Down at the end over here, we have our creamy rice and vegetable dinner. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pouches of that for 32 total servings. Fireside stew, we have 16 servings of that. We have 2 pouches total. Ma's Home Style Bean Chili, that is 2 8-serving pouches for 16 of that. We have 16 servings of creamy herbed mashed potatoes. We have 2 8-serving pouches of that. If we come back here, our long grain rice, we have 80 servings, so that's 10 pouches. We have 16 servings of potatoes O'Brien. There are 2 8-serving pouches. And last but not least, Frank's favorite Alfredo. We have 1, 2, 3 bags of that for 24 servings of Frank's favorite Alfredo. That's 600 servings in all, a whole 3 months worth of survival food. That's a lot of food, folks. Look at all this, guys. It's 22 different varieties that I got here, which I'm really excited about. I've checked out all the other companies, and you just don't get that kind of variety. It's good for up to 25 years, so you can buy all this and not have to worry about it. It's not gonna go bad on you. And I also know that it's super easy to prepare. Like, okay, let's take this dinner bell broccoli bake. If you look, it says right here to prepare. To make one serving, you open the pouch, you take out the oxygen absorber, you boil a cup of water, you add a half a cup of mix, and cook it for 10 or 15 minutes. It's that easy. That's all you have to do to cook these. The totes that these come in, they're 10-gallon totes, and they've got this locking handle on top. And they're a really nice plastic. The plastic keeps them waterproof, it helps keep pests out. The mice tend not to chew through these. And because of their size and the shape of them, they stack really easily. So if you got a 1-year kit or 2 1-year kits, you can stack them all up on top of each other, and they're strong enough to handle that, and they don't slide around or fall over, so they're great. And they're super easy to store everything back in. These are nice vacuum sealed containers, so all the packages go back in really easily, and you can put everything back in. Put your lid up on top, lock it up, and it's ready to slide into the top of a closet or under your bed. They're not very high. You can see they're just about a hand high, so they'll go almost anywhere you need them to go. And they're great for storing all your 4 Patriots foods. Thanks for watching our unboxing video of the 4 Patriots 3-month food kit. I appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button. Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, guys.
Danielle, thanks for walking us through the 3-month unboxing video. What you all have been waiting for, the reveal, the announcement of our stocking giveaway. Katie chose our winner early this morning, so let's see who it is. Our winner of our stocking giveaway is Common Sense with Elizabeth. Congratulations! Let's see what you got. 1 Patriot Power Cell. There's more stuff in here. Let's see what else. 2 Patriot Power Cells. It's like Christmas morning over here at 4 Patriots. 3 Patriot Power Cells. Wow, what a giveaway. We hope these power you through the holidays, Elizabeth. Congratulations. Thank you to everyone who entered our contests, commented on our videos and our Facebook posts. But don't forget, you have other opportunities. We're giving away 3 more of these stockings in the next few days. So definitely check those out, and I will see you soon.